All right, hello first graders. We are on chapter 2, lesson 7. Let's watch a little movie.
Groups. The girls have made new arrangements. Compare the two groups of animals to find the difference between them. Taking these characters to compare. There are 5 animals and 2 other animals. Here's how you write the subtraction number sentence to compare. 5 bad apples minus 2 bad apples is a difference of 2 apples. There are 2 bad apples and 1 apples. Those characters to help write the subtraction number sentence for this family. There are 7 big pumpkins. There are 2 small pumpkins. How many more pumpkins are big than small? Write a subtraction number sentence. 7 big pumpkins minus 2 small pumpkins is a difference of 5 pumpkins. There are 1 big pumpkins.
Okay, so today's lesson is compare groups. Our essential question is, how do you subtract numbers? Okay, so we are at compare groups, and it looks like we're in the jungle today. So our question is, look at the pictures and place cubes on each bird. Place different cubes on each monkey. Count and write how many of each animal. Circle the number that shows more. Okay, so let's get out my tools. I'm going to need more than one color. So I'm going to use the yellow for the birds. 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to use the red for the monkeys. 1, 2, and now I'm going to use my writing tools to compare the two. So, for the monkeys, I have 2, and for the birds, I have, oh, I missed one. Oh dear, let me go back there. Looks like I missed a monkey right over here. I mean a bird, so I need one more yellow one there. Okay, now I can use my writing tool. We're going to write how many birds there are. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down and over. Down some more. That's the way to make the 4. All right, so I can compare that I have 4 birds and 2 monkeys. I have more birds than I have monkeys by the amount of 2. You can subtract to compare groups. There are 6 zebras. There are 2 elephants. How many more zebras are there than elephants? So I have 6. I'm going to get out my writing tool. I have 6 zebras. If I take away the amount of elephants I have, which is 2, I have 4 more zebras, which means I have 4 fewer elephants. It says to use our dots to write a subtraction number sentence. So we're going to use our dots here to illustrate what we've got here. So it says there are 7 giraffes. So I'm going to go ahead and put up 7 of my dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I have 2 rhinos. 1, 2. Now I can use a number sentence to show the difference between the giraffes and the rhinos. So I have 7 giraffes, and I'm going to take away the 2 that I have for rhinos. So here they are. We're going to take away these 2. And when I take those 2 away, how many is the difference is the number that I have left here. 5 more giraffes. Oops, my 5 is not very good. There we go. There is a little talk math at the bottom of the page that says, what happens when you compare equal groups? Well, they are both the same and there is no difference between them. Okay, so this is on your own page, and I'm going to have you go ahead and do problems 2, 3, and 4 on your own. If you need help reading those directions, go ahead and I will just record them right now. So on number 2, it says there are 5 leopards and there are 3 gorillas. How many fewer gorillas are there than leopards? So remember, you're going to subtract your gorillas from your leopards. So take your 5, take away 3, and you'll get your difference between how many fewer gorillas there are. All right, so on number 3 it says 9 butterflies are black, 5 butterflies are yellow. How many fewer butterflies are yellow than black? So go ahead and take 9, take away 5, and you will find out how many fewer butterflies there are. Okay, so here we are on number 4. There are 6 tigers. There are 2 cheetahs. How many more tigers are there than cheetahs? So your subtraction sentence will say 6 take away 2 equals how many more tigers there are. Okay, number 5 on problem solving. There are 8 elephants. There are 4 lions. How many fewer lions are there than elephants? So you take 8, subtract 4, and you will have your answer of how many fewer lions there are. Okay, let's see if you can do this problem solving on your own. There are 9 monkeys and 8 parrots in a tree. How many more monkeys are there than parrots? So remember, you're going to make a subtraction sentence that says 9 take away 8 will equal how many more monkeys there are than parrots. Okay, so we are on the right math, which is the problem solving on the very bottom of the page. And I like to type in these answers with you. Oops, let me go back there. All right, so let me get out my writing tools, and I'm going to use my typer. The question is, how can you use subtraction to compare groups? And I'm going to type let's do a capital subtract the small number from the bigger number. Okay, so copy down that on your page, and we are finished with this lesson.